Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. This video is specifically for you, my ladies, because we're going to be learning how to do the salsa arms. I'm going to give you 3 different variations, so stay tuned.
Tú que conoces mis angustias y mis penas. Ay, nochecita.
Alright ladies, now is breakdown time. Okay, so the first one, I call it painting the wall. First of all, we need to understand one thing. We need to know how to do our hands, yes? So for your hands, it's very simple. I'm gonna be probably making a different video about it, but super quick. You have to pretend you're holding an egg, a little egg, with your middle finger and your thumb, yes? So right here in the middle, and you relax the rest of the fingers, okay? So pretend that and try that. Now this is the way you want to be keeping your hands all the time, just so they look feminine and effortless, yes? I don't want to see this happening, or I've seen everything, so just relax your fingers, okay? Good. All right, so now from there, number 1 is going to be painting the wall. We're going to start with the right hand, then with the left, and then we do both, okay? So paint the wall, pretend your hand is like a brush. Super nice and delicate, and you're going to be painting a half of moon on the wall. Okay, now with the left. And then you do both. Okay, ladies, for number 2, I call it the peacock. If I'm pronouncing it right, you know that it's a beautiful animal with beautiful colors, and the feathers open like this. So we're going to imagine we are the peacock, and we're going to open our hands like the feathers. Let's try it first with the right hand. We go up and all the way. We go up and all the way. Now with both hands. And now for number 3, we have what I call framing your body, because it's basically that's exactly what you're going to be doing. So keep in mind, your hands have to be very delicate all the time, and you're going to frame your figure all the way up. We have a few options, but I'm going to give you the variations to this variation in a little bit. Once we're here, we cross our hands and then comb our hair. I'm going to do it on the other side so you can actually see what's happening, okay? So frame the body. And cross and comb your hair. Sexy, huh? All right, now, for this specific variation, we have extra variations. So I'm going to give you, we said framing the body. We have the option of doing the framing the body from here, from the back, not sideways, but back. So I'm going to do it for you. We're here. This is sideways, and this is back. Okay, we go all the way up, and that's it. Now, we have another variation of this framing the body, which is one hand in the back and one in front. So we go. Nice. Okay, now, on the way down, since we're already here, we can go either comb the hair, or we have the other option of, with the left hand, you frame your face, and with the right hand, you comb the hair. It's just a little fun variation of the last way of doing your arms. All right, my ladies, so we learned the 3 different variations and their options as well. let's try to put it to the count, okay? From there, we're gonna actually try to put it to the basics and then to the music. So we go with the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good job doing it to the count. Now let's try it to the steps. We're just gonna, so I won't make your life so complicated. We're just gonna do the regular basic and we're gonna add the arms. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 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 and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.
Nochecita, tú que conoces mis angustias y mis penas. Ay, nochecita, dime si ella me quiere como yo a ella. Le he entregado el corazón, mi alma entera. Quiero pasar toda mi vida junto a ella.
Now with the steps, let's start with the
Cita,
video.
nunca me falte y que yo con mi locura nunca le falle. Ay, nochecita, cuídala con tu nobleza, ilumínala con tus estrellas. Ay, nochecita, júrame que estarás siempre, siempre a mi lado.
Okay, ladies, I hope you had as much fun as I did throughout the video. I know it's kind of difficult to coordinate when you're doing your feet and then you have to think about your arms, moving your body and still looking pretty and smiling. It's a lot of work, but I know you can do it. So hang in there. Just practice, practice, practice. And if you have any comments or any suggestions, please don't forget to put it on the comment box below. And if you like my video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, not only subscribe, click on the notification button because otherwise you're gonna be missing out on stuff. I'm gonna try to put videos, new videos every week. So see you next week.